What's up, everybody? Free as a bird! I'm free as a bird! For the rest of my life, I'm free as a bird! No more having to go to fucking jail! Free as a bird! Oh, the fucker, finally! Good God, finally! Whew! Every time I went to fucking court, the attorney would be like, well, you did 163 days and then 84 days and you've done your time. And the DA's like, give him 10 days. It's like, what the fuck? Ain't no more hearing, so I'm good. I'm good. Goody, good, goody, good, good. Goody, good, Grady, great. Goody, good, Grady, great, great. I'm all the way across fucking town and shit, but I'm gonna stay around this area tonight and go and catch the bus tomorrow morning. And yeah, because I ain't walking to fucking like 15 fucking miles just to, no. I ain't doing that shit. Hell no, I ain't doing that shit. And the reason why I gotta walk 15 fucking miles for nothing. No. To do that. But that's all I got in this video. Peace.